Have it sink in. Don't throw it out. Instead, do this. Stay tuned. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the tin can, put the label off. Alright, get a label on it. See this? You're gonna use these pieces. You're gonna cut holes and you're gonna use these pieces, alright? So you can use scissors, you can use a survival knife, whatever you have available. Okay? As long as it pierces, it should be fine. I'm gonna do this away from the cat, be right back. Where's leaving her? Alright, be careful holding the scissors. Hold the dull part and one part of the blade to penetrate. And get the cutting. Cutters, scissors, if you have a knife, whatever you have available, alright? It's not rocket science, right? I think it should be enough. Alright, just for the video, I mean, you can cut all the way around and utilize the rest of the pieces. Just for this video, we're going to utilize this. We're going to make two things out of it, okay? Stay tuned. So now that I cut these in half, one of them is going to be a fishing lure, okay, because it's reflective. Bootleg fishing lure, like fishing lure? Where? Fishing lure. You can use it as a reflective piece because of the rigidness and stuff. It reflects well in the water and you attach it to your fishing line. And the other one, you're going to make a kind of like an arrowhead and you can attach it to a stick like the last video we did with the glass arrowhead. You can do with these too. Alright, so let's draw on these. We'll be right back. The memories in my head, yeah, yeah. The memories in my head. Doesn't have to look pretty. It just has to be functional. Alright, so I made a few extra pieces. This would be your fishing lure. Alright? Just pop a hole in there. This is your arrowhead. And from the fishing lure piece, I had some angles cut out so you can reinforce it, okay? So if you want, you'll make it that much thicker or that much deadlier, okay? As you can see, I have the extra pieces here, okay? So you can add that on if you want. You can glue it together. You get yourself something to pierce with, okay? Again, you attach it to the stick like we did in the last video, all right? Okay, make it bigger. Okay. forget you have this piece of the knife too, you can utilize to your advantage. That's a fishing line and an improvised fishing hook. Right? Get your lure, improvised fishing hook. All right, so there you have it. Make a spearhead, double it up, make a fishing lure with an improvised fishing hook. Okay. Put your bait. Of course, you got to put your anchor. Keep it submerged in the water like a rock. A few washers. You can use washers if you have some heavy washers. Attach some washers. Let it drop. And because of the reflectiveness, right? When it reflects in the water, bing, 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 bing. Catch your fish. Pull that sucker up, reel it in. So anyway, that's just from this. Some fishing wire. Okay. Multi-tool. Survival knife. Some shears. Okay, these are probably better to cut the can with. You can use scissors, but they take longer. And just to make sure you're wearing gloves. If not, you're gonna get cut a lot. But don't worry about it. You'll survive. We're gonna protect them and survive. Stay safe.